people tripping and falling on city sidewalks. Many times, the city of New York is not the party that's responsible in these kind of cases. It's the commercial business that is next to the sidewalk that has the responsibility to keep the sidewalk in proper repair and to maintain the sidewalk safely. Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another episode of Deliso Law. I'm Joe Deliso, an attorney here in New York City, and I handle personal injury accident cases in the 5 boroughs. Today I want to talk to you about a common kind of case. People tripping and falling on city sidewalks. Many times, the city of New York is not the party that's responsible in these kind of cases. It's the commercial business that is next to the sidewalk that has the responsibility to keep the sidewalk in proper repair and to maintain the sidewalk safely so that you have a clear passage and a safe passage to walk. I want to talk to you about a certain case that I had. That's just as an example. It involved a condition where a contractor, a cleaning contractor, hired by a bar in Midtown Manhattan, ran a hose, a cleaning hose, across the city sidewalk into the bar, with one end connected to the truck and one end in the bar. Now this condition was out in the open. It was obvious to anyone who was paying attention while walking down the street. It didn't have signs out. There were no cones, barriers, or other warning devices saying that it was there. So in that respect, it was a little bit of a difficult case. What we had to do to prove the case is ask ourselves who's responsible. What happened was the lady is on her way to work. She was about 45 years old at the time. She was on her way to work, and when she gets to the place where the hose was, she trips and she falls. But who's responsible? To hold the bar owner responsible, we would have to show that the bar knew about the condition of a hose running across the sidewalk, or that they should have known of this condition. The owner of the building, that was a difficult case because the condition was created right then and there. And the condition was created by who? By the contractor that put the hose on the sidewalk. But remember, the condition was open. It was obvious. So how can we hold this contractor that puts their hose doing their work responsible? Well, through the evidence that we uncovered, what happened was that the contractor is inside the bar at that particular time. At the same time, the lady is walking and she steps over the hose because she sees it there. But the contractor pulls the hose further into the bar. When he does this, the hose moves. It catches the lady's foot, and she's thrown forward, bashes her face against the concrete. She breaks her front teeth, and she breaks her jaw. The effect of this injury was tremendous on her. She was unable to enjoy the quality of life that she had before these people did this to her. So remember, in a trip and fall case, you have to be able to prove that the person that is responsible either created the condition that caused you to be hurt, or knew about it and didn't fix it, or it was there for so long that they should have known about it and fixed it. The people that have the duty to take care of the sidewalk in New York City is the abutting landowner a lot of the times. And the budding landowner, I'm talking about commercial businesses. I'm not talking about a single family home. They may not have the responsibility to take care of the sidewalk. But in a commercial situation, in the city of New York, in the 5 boroughs, the abutting business owner, the store, has the responsibility. Now, if you ever find yourself, you or your family, in a situation where you're injured on a sidewalk, don't hesitate to give me a call. I'll sit down with you, I'll talk about your case, and I'll get an investigation rolling as quickly as possible. In today's day and age of cameras everywhere, a lot of times these businesses have surveillance cameras that will show the sidewalk. We'll immediately try to get those videos in order to document exactly what happened to you. Consultations are always free. You could call me at any time and I'll talk to you about your case. Till next time, I want you to stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on our next episode.